Let's face it, people are judging you all the time, right? They're judging you by the clothes you wear, by the car you drive, by the way you walk, by the way you talk, and they're judging you online too. Have you Googled yourself lately? This is what our generation does. We Google everything. We Google restaurants, we Google realtors. Are you a realtor in the industry right now? Your customers are actually Googling to see how you show up online. Your reputation is on the line. Not only is it on the line, but it's online. It's on Google. It's on realtor.com. It's on Zillow.com. It's on homes.com, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. What we offer is a free service called realgrader.com. We'll go in and we'll give you a score, like a credit score, right, out of 100 to let you know how well you're doing across all of these different platforms that you're currently on. And we'll give you free recommendations on how to fix your score. So go online to realgrader.com and get your grade.